What if we weren't entirely a product of Earth? What if, instead of evolving purely through nature's trial and error, we were engineered? Our bodies show odd quirks. Our brains outspace our biology, and our place on this planet often feels out of place. Today we take a hard look at human design. Through the lens of science and history, we will explore a radical possibility. Are humans biologically engineered, or at the very least tweaked to be what we are? Let's begin with our design flaws. We walk upright, but it gives us back pain. We sweat to cool off, but without water and shelter we collapse in heat. We lack claws, fangs, thick skin, or natural camouflage. Compared to the rest of the animal kingdom, our physical resilience is underwhelming. A wolf can sprint and tear, a hawk can spot prey kilometers away, a jellyfish can live for centuries, but us? We get sunburned, sore, sick and broken. If evolution optimizes for survival, why do we seem so poorly built for it? Take sunlight. It sustains life on Earth but damages us. Prolonged exposure causes burns, DNA mutations and skin cancer, conditions largely absent in other species. Most animals have natural UV protection, scales, feathers, dense fur. We have sunscreen. It's as if we are optimized for a different light spectrum, or a different atmosphere, or even a different planet. That's not proof of engineering, but it is evidence of a mismatch. Now consider how we begin life. Human infants are amongst the most helpless creatures at birth, immobile, blind, entirely dependent. Other mammals walk, feed, and respond to danger almost immediately. We take years to become functional, years. Biologists explain it as a trade-off for larger brains. We are born early to make delivery possible. But from a design standpoint, it's inefficient, risky, counterintuitive. If this is evolution's best outcome, it raises a tough question. Why does our survival depend not on biology but on cooperation, planning, and artificial protection? Every other species adapts to Earth with biology. Thicker fur, sharper teeth, better senses. We don't, we compensate with invention. Fire, tools, shelter, language, from stone blades to neural implants. Instead of adapting to the planet, we have forced the planet to adapt to us. That's a strange evolutionary strategy and a lonely one. No other species walks this path. It's almost as if intelligence wasn't a gradual upgrade, but a deliberate feature. Here's where it gets more interesting. What if we are not glitches in evolution but evidence of engineering? Our self-awareness, abstract reasoning, sense of time, morality, all spikes sharply compared to our closest relatives. Even our genetics are strange. Over 200 genes in the human genome appear to have no clear evolutionary path. No match in other primates. Unique segments suddenly active, as if inserted. We are not saying aliens made humans. We are saying, is it possible that intelligence itself was introduced deliberately? A trait not slowly earned, but coded. There are more quirks. Our circadian rhythm, for instance, leans closer to 24.5 hours, not Earth's 24. Our spines are poorly suited to bipedalism, yet we walk upright. Mental illness, autoimmune conditions, and food intolerances plague humans far more than wild animals. Even our vitamin D synthesis, crucial for survival, is inefficient in many populations. If we were fine-tuned by natural selection, why do so many systems feel unoptimized? Could this inconsistency be a sign that we were tailored not for Earth but altered after arriving here? So are we flawed products of evolution, or something entirely different? Maybe the thing we call imperfections aren't flaws at all. Maybe they are residue of design, intentional or not, implanted in a species not meant to adapt, but meant to think, question, and build. Humanity's physical oddities, mental depth, and planetary mismatch leave one haunting possibility open. We weren't just born, we were made. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are humans natural anomalies or engineered minds in organic shells?